Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Hisense TV remote. It doesn't have to be this one, really any Hisense TV remote, but basically you have an issue where one of your buttons doesn't work. Maybe your power button doesn't work so your TV doesn't turn on, or maybe one of your buttons here, or maybe another button, or any buttons, or maybe it's one button, maybe it's a few buttons that aren't working, or maybe some of the buttons kind of seem like it has a mind of its own when you're trying to like move to the right and all of a sudden it starts moving to the left by itself. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a quick fix where you don't have to take the battery, you don't have to take the remote apart or anything, okay? So, and do this before you go out and buy a new remote or anything. So first thing is this. You wanna go ahead and take out your batteries, and this will probably work for about 60, maybe 70% of you guys right off the bat, okay? Okay, so with the battery out, the first thing I want you to do is this. The power button, I want you to press and hold the power button. Just press and hold it and wait 1 minute. Okay, wait 1 minute while I hold down the power button. After 1 minute is up, next thing I want you to do is go ahead and let go. And now I want you to press every single button, even the power button. Start off with the power button, and every single button that you have on there, just kind of go crazy. You kind of want to press it hard, because what happens typically is if you have like hand lotion, can get stuck in here, debris, dirt, soda, even sometimes water gets in here, it'll get one of the buttons stuck and it can cause all kinds of issues with the other buttons as well. So you can see if your remote has more buttons in this, then keep on going down the line. Just keep doing this. Push, and then go ahead and just push a little bit harder. Press every single button. Just kind of go crazy. Now go ahead and put your batteries back in. Don't put the back lid on yet. Go ahead and power up your TV and see if it's up and running, okay? If it's still not working, do the same thing. Take out the batteries, press and hold the power button for 1 minute. After 1 minute, start pressing every button on here multiple times, okay? Get everything all nice and loose. Just keep on going crazy. And sometimes it works too if you give it a little smack like this. Turn it around. Give it a little smack. Again, make sure every single button here is pressed multiple times. Then go ahead and pop your battery back in and test to see if your remote is working. It should be up and running. If it's still not working, then I would suggest go ahead and give this a try, like 3 or 4 more times. And that's pretty much it. If this worked for you, just give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. We should have at least a 60% thumbs up ratio on this video, all right? Good luck, guys.